Which summer outfits under $30 are actually worth buying? Simple question, but you've got to look past the pretty photos to find what really works. Today, we're breaking down 5 real options that deliver style, comfort, and value, all without breaking $30.
Product number 1, Wihole Striped Summer Tee. First up is this Wihole Striped Orange Short Sleeve Tee for just $8.99. I'll be real, this one caught my eye because it's insanely affordable and has over 5,000 sales in the past month. If you want a breezy, everyday top that won't cost more than a coffee, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 95% polyester and 5% spandex blend gives it that soft, stretchy feel that holds up all day in the heat. The crew neck and cap sleeves keep it classic, but the loose fit means you can knot it in the front or wear it tucked in for a little extra flair. It's not fancy, but it's the kind of piece that works for errands, beach days, or even layering under a light cardigan. Now, some people complained about the sizing being inconsistent. Here's the thing though, this brand runs a bit small, so definitely check the size chart before ordering. I'd say go one size up if you're between sizes. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly top that still looks put together. Skip this one if you're looking for something structured or office formal. For under $9, it's a solid grab for your summer rotation.
Product number 2, Automet 2-Piece Lounge Set. Now, if the Wihole tee felt a little too basic, this Automet 2-piece set might be your new go-to. Priced at $19.99, it's a step up in both style and versatility. With 2,000 plus sold last month, it's clear people are loving this combo. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fabric is 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex, so it's lightweight, breathable, and has that drapey feel perfect for hot days. The drawstring shorts with side pockets are a game changer. You can actually carry your phone or keys without a bag. Plus, the relaxed fit flatters different body types, and you can wear this lounging at home or out for a casual coffee run. Now, some people said the black version fades a bit after a few washes. Here's the thing though, if you wash it cold and skip the dryer, it holds up way better. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to know if you're picky about color longevity. This is perfect for you if you want an easy head-to-toe outfit that feels comfy but still looks intentional. Skip this one if you need something for formal settings. At under $20, it's a steal for the convenience alone. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for layering and mixing with your existing wardrobe.
Product number 3, Wihole V-neck knit top in khaki, is another smart pick. It's got the same 95% polyester and 5% spandex blend, so it's soft and stretchy, but the V-neck and rolled sleeves give it a slightly dressier vibe. With 2,000 plus sold, it's clearly a favorite for spring and summer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The loose fit is great for hiding the midsection, and the tunic length works perfectly with leggings or high-waisted jeans. You can knot it, tuck it, or wear it loose. It's one of those tops that adapts to your mood. Plus, the V-neck elongates your frame, which is always a win. Now, some people mention the fabric can pill after a few washes. Here's the thing though, pilling happens with most synthetic blends, especially if you toss it in with rough fabrics. Washing it inside out on Genta helps a lot. It's not perfect, but for under $10, it's still a great value. This is perfect for you if you want a flattering, easy-to-wear top that transitions from day to night. Skip this one if you need something wrinkle-resistant for travel. For the price, it's a no-brainer addition to your summer closet.
Product number 4, Aliexpress Sleeveless Jumpsuit. Now, if you're ready to level up from separates, this Aliexpress Sleeveless Jumpsuit at $14.98 is a standout. It's got a loose fit, adjustable spaghetti straps, and a U-neck design that's both flattering and breezy. With 2,000 plus sold, it's a popular pick for beach trips and casual outings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex blend gives it that flowy, breathable feel perfect for hot days. The loose fit means you can move freely, and the adjustable straps let you customize the fit. It's one piece, so you don't have to think about matching. Just throw it on and go.
Now, some people said the fabric is a bit thin and can wrinkle easily. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be a structured outfit. It's for lounging, beach days, or casual hangouts. If you're okay with a more relaxed look, the comfort outweighs the wrinkles. This is perfect for you if you want a one-and-done outfit that's stylish and easy. Skip this one if you need something for work or formal events. At under $15, it's a great budget-friendly alternative to pricier rompers.
Product number 5, Lilisori Henley 2-piece set. Last but not least, this Lilisori 2-piece set at $14.99 is a close contender to the Automet set. It features a Henley-style cap-sleeve top and drawstring shorts with pockets. Yes, pockets. With 1,000 plus sold, it's gaining traction fast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The same 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex blend means it's soft, stretchy, and breathable. The Henley neckline adds a bit more style than a basic tee, and the matching set gives you a coordinated look without the effort. You can wear it together or split the pieces, top with jeans, shorts with a tank. Now, some people said the top runs a little short. Here's the thing though, if you like a cropped look or plan to tuck it in, it's actually perfect. But if you prefer more coverage, you might want to size up. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish mix and match set that works for lounging or light activities. Skip this one if you need full coverage or formal wear. For under $15, it's a smart, versatile buy.
So which one's the best? If you want ultra affordable basics, go with the Y-hole tops. For lounging or travel, the Automet or Lilisori sets are solid. And if you want one outfit that does it all, the Aliexpress jumpsuit is a great pick. All under $30, all actually wearable. Let me know which one you're grabbing in the comments.